Top 6 Best Scroll Saws. However, when it's time to choose the right scroll saws, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best scroll saws on the market today, so if you're interested in what scroll saws will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best Overall. DeWalt 20-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw. With a Hearty 20-inch throat capacity and adjustable speed, the DeWalt 20-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw is an attractive choice for serious wood artisans. It is designed with a parallel linked arm that minimizes noise and vibration. Plus, the saw features a thin yet strong metal hold-down foot designed not to block the line of sight. The on-off switch, the tension lever, and the speed adjustment are all located on the front of the tool for easy access. This saw has a large 20-inch capacity for cutting large workpieces. Also, it accepts plain-end blades, and blade changes are easy thanks to the Toolless blade clamp. Stroke speed is adjustable from 400 to 1750 SPM, making this scroll saw suitable for cutting both softwoods and hardwoods as well as plastic and sheet metal. The saw table tilts up to 45 degrees to the left and to the right for cutting bevels. This all-purpose scroll saw is available with a stand and an LED light as well, which might be a good idea considering this saw weighs almost 60 pounds. Number 2. Best for Beginners. Ryobi 16-inch Scroll Saw. If you are new to scroll saws, you want a tool that is reasonably priced, fairly easy to use, and without too many bells and whistles that might be intimidating to a beginner. You'll find all of those features in the Ryobi 16-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw. This model features a 16-inch throat and tool-free blade changes to make life easier. A cast aluminum tilting table can be set between 0 and -45 degrees, which is useful for beveled projects like inlays and bowls. The machine also accepts either pinned or pinless blades, depending on your preference. A cast iron base supports the saw and minimizes machine movement, although you'll still have to deal with some vibration. While this budget scroll saw may not be able to handle intense scrolling projects, it's a fine choice for basic woodworking crafts. Since it's lightweight, it's easy to move on and off the workbench. This is a great entry-level scroll saw if you're looking for an affordable way to complete basic scrolling projects or want a scroll saw with a tilting table that won't throw your budget off balance. Number 3. Best Budget. 16-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw. The WEN 16-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw features a table that tilts up to 45 degrees to the left and offers variable speed cutting, all at an affordable price point. The WEN comes with a 16-inch throat depth, a bright LED light to illuminate the cutting area, an air blower, and a dust collection port. It accepts pinhead blades, comes with onboard blade storage, and includes a thin hold-down foot. A thumb screw adapter allows for quick blade changes. Also, users can adjust this scroll saw to cut from 400 to 1600 SPM, allowing for cutting a range of materials like hardwood and softwood, metals, plastics, and more. If there's room for improvement, it would be the addition of a stand, which WEN does not currently offer. Number 4. Best for Larger Projects. Delta 20-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw. Tackle larger woodworking projects with a scroll saw that offers plenty of power and a greater throat depth. This 20-inch scroll saw from Delta Power Tools has more than enough room and oomph to handle projects of all shapes and sizes. Model 40-694 from Delta is a scroll saw with a 20-inch throat, which allows for cutting wider pieces of wood than a 16-inch or 18-inch throat. The table tilts between 0 and 45 degrees to allow for beveling. Plus, for added convenience, the upper arm can be lifted and locked into position when making blade changes or adjusting blade angle. You'll appreciate speeds up to 1750 strokes per minute to cut through even tough woods like walnut, and the dust hose efficiently keeps up with sawdust as you work, keeping pattern lines or the work surface free of dust and debris. Number 5. Best Compact. Dremel Motosaw Variable Speed Compact Scroll Saw Kit. Anyone who wants a little more from their scroll saw might want to give the Dremel Motosaw Variable Speed Compact Scroll Saw Kit a chance. This compact saw features a quick clamp base that attaches to tables and benches, allowing users to scroll like a traditional saw. However, should they need to cope a molding or scroll on a larger workpiece, this saw detaches for handheld use. This model features variable speed so the user can adjust according to the material they're cutting. It also features a system that automatically applies tension to the saw blade for quick blade changes. The base has a built-in dust collection port as well. Number 6. Best for making toys. Bucktool 16-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw. If you mostly use a scroll saw to make wooden toys, puzzles, blocks, or similar items, you'll appreciate the Bucktool 16-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw, which has a foot pedal that allows you to start and stop the saw without having to lift your hands away from the wood piece. Plus, the tool has a large steel 18.2 by 11.5-inch worktable which can tilt up to 45 degrees to the left, giving you plenty of room for work while making beveled cuts. But what you'll like most about the Bucktool Scroll Saw, if you're a toy maker, is its smooth, quiet, and very low vibration performance, which makes it ideal for small, detailed projects that require concentration. This scroll saw has a 16-inch throat and can cut to a maximum thickness of 2 inches. Its variable speed control ranges from 550 to 1600 SPM. The tool has a work light and onboard blower to keep debris away from your cut line. You can use either pinned or pinless blades, and no tools are required to change them. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you.